In this video, I'm going to explain the bank statement requirements for a UK visa application. Whether you're applying for a visit, student, or dependent visa, showing strong financial evidence is crucial. Your bank statement must clearly show that you have enough money to support yourself during your stay in the UK without needing public funds. For a standard visitor visa, there's no fixed amount, but your funds should match your travel plans, covering flights, accommodation, and daily expenses. For student or dependent visas, there are minimum amounts you must show, usually £1,334 per month if studying in London, or £1,023 outside for up to 9 months. The statement should be from the last 28 days, showing regular activity, and must be stamped or signed by the bank if it's not digital. Avoid large, unexplained deposits, as these can raise red flags. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more UK visa tips and financial guidance.